Hey, John Kavakis here, and I've got an update on our Chicago Shenanigans weekend coming up March 15th through 17th in Auburn, Indiana, in Chicago. I want to share with you the dealers that are going to be at the 143rd and Automobilia show on Saturday the 16th. Most of these guys are going to be at the Countryside show on Sunday as well. But we got Albert Copans coming down, his Hobby 43 models, coming down from Canada. He's always got some really neat stuff. We've got Route 66 model cars, and you all know Buzz. Buzz may have some reissues, some really interesting reissues for us. We're just hoping that you get there on time. But Buzz always has some really nice offerings. We've got Greg Gunn coming in. Greg just had shoulder surgery, but he's really eager to see everybody, so he's coming to the show and he's bringing his display with him. Greg always has some really great stuff. We got the Toy Car Geek, Dave Gilbert, coming, and his wife coming up from Nashville, participating in his first show. It'll be there Saturday and Sunday. He'll have some show specials, and I've got a little bit of a preview of them. I can't share with them right now, but they're going to be really fantastic. You want to keep your eyes and ears open. We got Charlie Barnett and his Midas models coming from the UK. You know, Charlie's always there. He always has a really nice selection of high-end models, and said he might be able to be bringing some MOCs as well, some Motor Cities. So we got Jim Cowan and Automodello. Jim's got some really fascinating stuff. He's got two 124th prototypes that he'll be showing. 1969 Chevrolet Kingswood Estate, 1969 Iso Grifo. Really neat cars. Boy, wait till you see them. They're beautiful. Jim also may have something to show us in 143rd. Depends on whether or not it'll be ready, but Jim has promised that he's going to have at least 3 143rd releases by the end of the year. He's keeping everything a secret because you know how the business works. The other thing that Jim's planning is a 124th 1938 Graham a little bit later on this year. Really looking forward to that one. Beautiful car. So we're going to see Howie Line, and you know, Howie always has something really fascinating in his booth. B&G Models, Mikhail Bashmashnikov will be there. He'll have a couple of projects we're familiar with, but you know, the great thing about Mikhail, he's always got something new and something really interesting and fascinating to show us. He'll be bringing them up with him from Connecticut. Bob Short's going to be there. He's got the full selection of the American car series that we've all been lusting after, and Bob always has a very wide selection of models to show us, very reasonably priced as well. So we got a couple of collectors, John Tenay, Frank Rastabazinski, and Harv Gorson are going to be there on Saturday. A couple of those guys are going to be there on Sunday as well, maybe. But Saturday is going to be the day to see them. They're bringing up some stuff, and we're finding out that this 143rd and Automobilia venue on Saturday is becoming a really good place if you're looking to thin out your collection a bit, because we got serious collectors that are there on Saturday. The fellowship is great, and it's a really nice opportunity if you're looking to pick up a few things that might be hard to find, or maybe even sell a few as well. So I've got more details coming, particularly on the Ford V8 Museum. I'll be able to share them with you sometime real soon. Keep your eyes peeled for the channel. If you have any questions, leave me a comment below, or you can email me. I'm looking forward to the weekend. I hope you are too.